Holy cow, look at this. RGB lit Bitcoin mining rig with 78 GeForce RTX 3080 graphics cards.
So that's where all the 3080s are gone.
Holy cow. What a beast. It's funny you say that's where all the 3080s are because people are actually upset about this on Reddit and elsewhere that, hey, man, not cool. I need one of those. It's like, well, the guy paid for it. I don't know. It's, well, you know, some people, they speculate that NVIDIA has set aside a certain number of these units for the purpose of mining or for sales knowingly going towards mining operations.
Oh.
I didn't even know the mining thing was still because the difficulty level and back when I was reading about it, obviously there's still people mining.
Yeah.
And every time there's a new GPU generation, it comes back up. But I just haven't been paying much attention to it, to be honest with you. And so I see this and I'm like, oh yeah, of course. 3080, 3090, 30 set, whatever. Of course people are doing this. However, this guy took it to another level with the RGB and everything else.
Yeah, it's a clean setup here with the RGB.
78 GeForce RTX 3080. Now, apparently this thing is earning 20 grand USD a month mining Ethereum right now.
Oh, okay.
20 grand. Now, you got to factor in the upfront cost. That's going to cost you that's going to take you a little while to pay that off, even at 20 G's a month. And you got the electricity costs, which vary from place to place. You got to keep everything cool too as you suck the energy. So the whole equation is in there. He calls this rig Berta 2.
Berta.
Yeah, that's right. Berta.
Big Berta.
Big Berta. Yeah, here it is. There was a report that NVIDIA allegedly sold $175 million worth of Ampere GeForce RTX 30 series cards directly to the mining market. $175 million. And I mean, you know the crypto stuff. We cover a little bit here on this show. The fact that this stuff is booming. If you're NVIDIA, you know what's going on if you're NVIDIA.
Yeah. They have their own mining rig.
Damn. And imagine, dude, and they get it up and running before they release this stuff to the public. Holy wow.
And it's nice that it's full 3080 cards. It's not just like the chipset or anything. They have fans on them.
Now, these cards are, like you said, in severe shortage for the end users that want to use them for gaming. And so this is really mixed feelings for people. This is very mixed feelings for people. But if you do care to look at it, there is a breakdown of the expenses. So each card is $700. However, due to the shortage of cards, that price has gone up. You see them listed up to $1,200 each. The suggestion here is that the rig probably costs $100,000 upfront. Energy for this individual who is based in Las Vegas comes in at 8.43 cents per kilowatt, which is $14.44 per month. Then raised up to around $2,000 a month to account for cooling costs as well, which is extra on top of the energy to run the cards. And so the total rig, 78 cards, could generate $12,840 per month in ETH, Ethereum. After the electricity costs, net profit, $10,674 per month or $128,000 per year. So you would pay off the rig in around 9.5 months.
Okay, well, that's not too bad.
And net profitability of $900 per day.
Yeah, you just keep
That's
that
what
running.
Simon says. Simon himself, actually, I guess, has slightly different numbers than that particular analysis because he's saying an ROI in under 2 months. He's saying he's doing even better. 27,000 US per month on this rig. It's crazy. What a future, Will. Just rooms. It doesn't even look like he's in a warehouse. That looks like an apartment.
It's just, he has to step over.
Just rooms full of GPUs. Just rooms full of GPUs generating coin.
Yeah.
I guess it's been going on for so long. I shouldn't be surprised by it. When I see them there with the RGB and the hype around this particular launch cycle, I guess it reignites for me
Yeah.
how wild it is that we're living in a time where that is generating money.
And it's very automated too.
So
You
cool.
don't have to hack into anything.
So cool. I think I got to get into mining
Just do
now.
it.
I think
Yeah.
I got the space and the cooling and the
Mine as well.
low electricity fees. Nvidia, hit me up. You sold 175 million already. Hit me up. Maybe we'll make a video series about it, and that's the end of it. We're mining now. All right. If you know anything about mining, then email will@lulater.com and tell him everything you know about mining.
Let's hit up Dogecoin.